We're going to watch this short video of a Humvee airdrop for a supply drop from the US military. I want you to think about what goes into making this work. How is it that they can drop this Humvee, this big truck, out of this airplane? It's pretty crazy. So we're going to see from inside the plane, we're going to see from on the truck, and then we'll see from uh, the plane. Success! It is from the Humvee itself. So how is this Humvee falling so gradually? You probably have an idea already in your head of how it is falling. What is allowing it to land safely when it hits the ground in a few seconds? Hits the ground safely. Can you think why? I bet you have a good idea of why. How they have designed this special cargo drop to land safely here. So now we'll see the view from the ground. So notice that there's this little parachute that goes out. Actually, it's the thing that pulls on the Humvee, causing it to be pulled out of the plane. And so once there's enough force on it, oh, big pull, bonus parachute, and here we have that Humvee that we were just looking at from the perspective of the Humvee. And you notice that it has these big parachutes that deployed once it got pulled out of the plane. So there were those little parachutes that helped pull it out, and then these big parachutes are allowing it to fall slowly to the ground. What forces could be slowing this down? What forces are acting on the parachute? Think about that for a second. And then also think about, what would it take to build a parachute at home? What things are important in the design of the parachute? And what is it about the parachute that really allows it to let this Humvee, this cargo drop, land safely? So we're going to look at another example, except there's something I want you to pay close attention to in this other example. So this one has some theme music. I'm going to turn the theme music down though, because you probably don't need too much theme music. So notice here's the cargo falling there. Here's another cargo drop falling, but notice its parachute has not deployed. So we can track it behind this other one, and oh, the parachute came out too late, and that did not go well. So I want you to think about what makes for a good parachute, what made this parachute so successful, and if you had to build a parachute for something at home, something smaller than a Humvee, like maybe if you were dropping your phone and your phone had some sort of parachute attached to it, let's say you accidentally drop it from the top of the stairs, you don't want it to break, what materials could you use that would be that would help attach some sort of parachute to your phone, that would help slow it down as it fell? And take a moment, post right below what materials you can think of using around you in your surroundings. So maybe there's some things around you that you could use. What materials do I have around me? So look around you and post what materials you could use. Take a picture of something around you that could help you build a parachute. And it doesn't necessarily have to be something fancy. In fact, I think the most impressive parachutes I have seen in class are parachutes that are built with repurposed, recycled materials. So maybe look in your recycling, maybe look around your home and see what materials you could use to create a parachute and post that below.